Okay, global family. Hello, it's Marla-Tiye. I just wanted to share with you, for those who could not attend, my first author talk at Mesa Public Library, the main library, on March 9th, 2023. Who is Jasmine Breeze and what did she learn from her experiences? Jasmine Breeze represents love, equanimity, duality, the winds of change, and now the present moment. She learned that loving herself is a crucial element of her life because her self-acceptance will give birth to indifference of external validation. Moreover, she will have the fortitude to endure any challenges thrown her way. Most importantly, she's able to make harmonious connections with everything enveloped in our universe and cosmos by the transcendence of her ego. Thus, the theme throughout my novella is Taoism, which is spelled Taoism. The actress-director Rebecca Maria Hall made a film called Passing, premised upon the 1929 novella with the same name by Nella Larson. Like the main characters of Larson's book and film, Passing, Jasmine Breeze also passes for white, augmenting the horrific one-drop rule devised in the United States. Passing for white means that the majority of the European diaspora perceives biracial and multiracial individuals as solely of European ethnicity, whilst most people of color are easily able to identify passing people as having some Black or African DNA. The profundity of Jasmine Breeze is very multidimensional. Hence, there's bisexuality, illicit drug abuse, the practice of alternative religions, and incest. So guys, I hope this is like a brief wrap up for those that missed my presentation. And again, it was so full of love and just power. And just remember, self-love is true love. Okay, peace out. Hey, global family, cosmic family, it's Marla-Tiye. And, the great thing about having your individual or solo author talk is that the readership, one member of the readership did request that I read her an excerpt from the book. So I chose page 89. And it reads, "My windows were open that night and the moon was full. I could feel its bright yellow glow on my forehead. The fragrant smell of jasmine flowers permeated my bedroom from outside. How wonderful it was that my mother named me after her favorite flower, I solemnly thought to myself. When I die, my spirit will live eternally in the jasmine fields. At night, the breeze will carry my soul to a place of perfumed tranquility. My name in Arabic means gift from God. I am part of something that is so much bigger than my beautiful and strong lineage. The universal family, viruses, atoms, reptiles, fish, galaxies, trees, mammals, black holes, and so on, keep this ancient continuum in a cyclical motion. It's when we realize the totality of the universe and accept and find peace within our others and ourselves, then we find our love supreme." And of course, guys, chapter 3, I Love Supreme, was a homage that I made to John Coltrane. So hope you enjoyed that little excerpt. Please buy Jasmine Breeze, by me, Marla-Tiye, MTV. So excited. Love this book. Love what we're doing. Healing souls, saving lives. And just remember, self-love is true love. Okay, guys. Happy Sunday. Peace out.